Good morning, everyone. So I'm super excited because I received my free seeds from freeheirloomseeds.org. So I'm super excited to see what I actually got. So I got 4 different kinds of seeds. Super excited. And I put all the information below so you could get your free seeds. So the seeds that I got are the Zloty chamomile, Ailsa, I believe that is what it is. I'll put all of the information below. Craig onion, mullein. Oh, I'm super excited about the mullein and the chamomile. Sugar baby watermelon. So I'm excited. I actually had forgot that I put in for it. I follow a group on Facebook for planting and homesteading. And they had posted this in the group. And I was like, let me go ahead and sign up for these. I feel like it was about a month ago. If not a month, a little under a month. But I'm super excited because these are heirloom seeds. And I signed up for the free seeds, because they have either a donations option or a free seeds. You just put what you need to put in your subject line so they know the difference. And basically, the free seeds are kind of like leftovers from what I understand. And then the other people just get donations. So I am very grateful for the Heirloom Seed Company, and I cannot wait to plant these. So I am on actually a transplanting and growing my own food journey. So right now I have a strawberry plant going, and with the strawberry plants, I have marigolds to help with the aphids and all of the pests that come to the strawberries. I do have some things that I need to fix with that. I also have some zinnias. I have a Cherokee purple tomato plant growing. I also have potatoes, which I've harvested potatoes before, so I already know how to do the potatoes. So I'm super excited about my next harvest, because my first harvest was really good. That was my first ever food plant. And then trying to think. I have some transplants from the suckers of the tomato plants. I have a lot of those that I'm going to be planting within this next week. And I'm also going to pick probably my chamomile and mullein and plant that. But I am super excited. If anyone has any tips on planting your own food, gardening, let me know. I would not mind learning a few tips that could help me with my successful food growing journey. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Definitely check out the Heirloom Seeds Company and get your free, for the train in the background, and get your free seeds so you can start your journey as well, or continue your journey if you already grow your own food.